Sanbanani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking guys about the reunion of Umnawethu Happily Ever After season 4. Listen, I was not expecting the reunion this week, but one thing about reunions, especially Mnawethu reunions guys, hey bo, they never disappoint. Listen, Ulinda Spears, Linda Sidia. One thing I love about him, you guys, he asks direct questions. But yeah, guys, let's get right into it because I mean, this episode should have been 1 hour long. They only got to interview two couples. The second couple, or the second community, should I say, we didn't get to finish them, guys. So I don't know. Next week, kushubuti bazo, they're going to fit everything in one episode, but we can't wait for Usamantha, guys. So anyway, the episode starts off for Yazigama reunion akala with the behind the scenes of people doing makeup, the girls in the makeup room busy having conversations there, nabafana somewhere laughing at really nothing. So they're in the makeup room. Umamkhulu just finished doing her makeup. Uyahleka laphayana with her loudness level sakhe. Samantha's doing her makeup and uLokhuzana, uMamhlongo was doing her makeup. So Samantha's like, wavele uqondanisa yezwa angazi usho ukuthini ke mega khuluma kanjani. But anyway, uMamhlongo looks at uLokhuzana. She's speaking to actually uMamkhulu. She's like, ayibo usenendoda entsha girl. Mamkhulu was like, na esla ephume eMpumalanga. USamantha's like, ungcono ke ukuthi awusafihli ukuthi wena vele unendoda ephume eMpumalanga. Guys, remember, this is not the first time uSamantha has been saying but Mamkhulu hasn't been honest about a lot of things, even the children. And one thing about Samantha, I'm gonna say, guys, with Samantha abawakamba manga. I don't wanna lie. Samantha does not lie. What thinking yakhe, she doesn't know how to communicate. Do you understand? I'm saying she'll communicate in any way, and because she communicates in any way, sometimes people don't take her seriously. But yes, Daniela, but listen, I believe Samantha would hey. Anyway, uMamkhulu guys, that time on the one of the recaps or one of the snippets for next week's episode, we see uMamkhulu calling uqondanisa umyeni wakhe. I'm like, girl, didn't you say in the back room in the dressing room ukuthi wena unendoda eMpumalanga manje? Then in the room where the guys are sitting, uqondanisa's busy saying to the chains, mina as indoda engilawula ukuthi umuntu wesifazane engithandana naye mele angenzele yonke into engiyithandayo. If ungibona or if ngisakwazi ukuyolanda omunye umfazi, kusho ukuthi khona eshodayo, khona lento that's my current wife or my partner is not doing. Because mina, once I'm satisfied with the woman, then I won't go out. So he's trying to say, which is Samantha noMamkhulu, khona nje into eshodayo kubona, and that's the reason why he keeps going to fetch other women. Back to the makeup room, guys. uMamhlongo is busy. He's saying to uLokhuzana, to uMamkhulu, ukuthi hayibo, ungiqomele nipho le ndoda yakho. Mamkhulu's like, hayi Mamhlongo, why ngathi usiyang-investigate-a ke manje? Mamhlongo's like, ushuthi this guy okhuluma ngaye, he's been here all along. Then uMamkhulu's like, lutho ke ngiyakutshela. Next thing, guys, people are ready. The guys, all the guys, they are forever dressed in their Zulu attires, with their trousers, with their t-shirts that are forever tucked in. Anyway, it's the guys there, and when it's the ladies are looking cute. But listen, I am disappointed with the wardrobe of this reunion. I mean, they looked fine. The only people I'm gonna say, listen, they were giving is abafazi kaSandiso. uKamagudulela, she looked nice, and the lost girlfriend kaSandiso, which is angmazi, but the uTebile or something like that, she looked beautiful. But the rest, guys, I was just like, man, like, come on, like, you guys in Mzansi Magic, you could do better when it comes to the wardrobe. But anyway, they looked cute. But while they're coming out, Angithi on the show, they'll normally show Amajensi walking into Studio Wodwa, and then they will show Amantombazane Mamkhulu walking to Studio Bodwa. Omamkhulu laphayana ukaMakudulera no Mamhlongo are busy holding hands. I'm like, since when these two are best friends? Oh, Mamhlongo, wasn't she friends? No, Samantha. That's I'm like, Mamhlongo, like she's the type of girl you can't trust because one thing she's with you, next thing she's with someone else. But anyway, I was just like, for them to be holding it, hands la ba khohlisana nje. So anyway, ungenwe-ke guys, everyone gets in there and then ulinda-ke, he starts off with uKondanisa, uDulas and uSandi. So those are the three guys of the season. Ababingelele-ke, then you ask them ukuthi phela gents, how is things going emshadweni wenu? So kuqalwe nguSandiso. USandiso says ukuthi hayi emzini kababa akukho okuqondayo kwamanje. Then uLinda asks ukuthi hayibo kwenzenjani? USandiso says ukuthi phela there was a misunderstanding. Once I introduced unumber 3 uCebile, things just went south from there. That time ukaMakhudulela guys umamkhulu uphindile. She is sitting no Mamhlongo, angithi uhleli no Mamhlongo. Kuyahlekwa guys one way. I'm just like, these ones are so childish. That's one thing that kept irritating me, just the way they were giggling. Like I don't like that. Like for me, or maybe it's just me now guys, I just feel like you're not there to make friends. You there, or is it that these people are taking this thing as a joke or what? For making money? Because I don't get it. It's like, what is so funny when they're busy laughing like me or something like that? Because these are grown women, guys. And I feel like this is my personal opinion. When you're a wife, guys, you must behave as a wife because when you go and stand and you're there on TV, you're not only representing yourself, you're representing your family. We're not talking about ama girlfriend, abo mamkhulu laba. There is a portion of lobola that has been taken out for them. So I am not expecting uPhindile no Mamhlongo to be laughing at nothing. Do you understand what I'm saying? I expect you to behave respectfully. If you feel like awusayifuni lento, say it ukuthi hayi vele mina angisekho lana. And yeah, but this thing, it's like these are small girls busy laughing and whatnot. Yo, ngingidina leyo nto, especially uMamhlongo, she kept doing that. Okay, so anyway, they laughing there and then unokhuzana uSandiso goes on to say ukuthi phela usamile, nothing has continued because umamkhulu, which is uPhindile, akasho lutho. So if umamkhulu akasho lutho, she's not giving me an answer, anything, nothing like that, usho ukuthi izinto zisamile. Fine. They go to uDulasi, they ask uDulasi ukuthi kuhamba njani emshadweni. uDulasi is like, hayi vele she's jwayele thina iy'nkinga. So I can't say that everything is going well. Kodwa-ke kumele ukuthi as indoda kumele uzithemba nje kubalulekile. I'm like, one thing about Dulas, guys, le nto inyanga yakhe emnikeza yona, listen, uDulas uyithembile. Because one thing about uDulas, guys, confidence, that's one thing you will not take from uDulas, is confidence, guys. Uzokutshela ukuthi awuyindawo wena. And all these men have been saying this. I'm just like, hey, guys, cabanga labantu who are feeling so confident ukuthi ingane zabantu aziyindawo. What makes them confident? Anyway, they go to uKondanisa bambuza ukuthi how are things going. uKondanisa goes on to say iziningi iy'nkinga ezikhona kodwa-ke iy'challenges iy'nkinga aziqali ngathi. That time ukhuluma uKondanisa, uMamthunu, guys, uzibhekene le esayidini, like ujikise nomzimba, guys, as if she doesn't want to look or hear anything ekhulunywa uKondanisa. I'm just like, yazi uMamthunu, guys, I think personally uMamthunu ifame nokuthi abantu have been speaking for her just because abantu told her Kondanisa so kumngene ekhanda. Because I'm like, the way she acts, phela uMamthunu, guys, she's the oldest there if I'm not mistaken. She can't be acting like ezinye ingane laphayana. No, like makaziphathise komuntu omdala, like please. But the way uMamthunu nedrama yakhe this season, I complained ukuthi uMamthunu, even the stuff she would say, every opportunity she gets, she's bragging. She's busy saying ukuthi mina ngeke ngiyona indoda. Kodwa buyonga yonke le minyaka. Now that is awusafuni laphayana. Now you coming to speak like that. Gcina esifubeni sakho because you did that for uKondanisa. So anyway, and uMamthunu, she's doing that. And Samantha's looking at uMamthunu like to say, and then wena Anyway, Ndanisa goes on to say ukuthi usazama-ke, he's still trying to unite his wives and he will continue fighting for that. Kodwa-ke le nto aseyiqalile nomuntu omusha wesi-3, he's not going to leave that, he's going to continue with that. After that, Ulinda, he decides to invite in abomamncane at this point. Abomamncane bawu-3, bangene-ke abomamncane. Mabengena abomamncane, ayibo ulokhuzana lo umamncane kaqondanisa angena athi sanibonani bomamdala, ayibo abomamkhulu bathule. Then ugirl's like, ayibo ngiyanibingelela phela. Anakho ugirl waze waphapha. Remember guys, ugirl, we didn't get to see her kahle because the last episode, which is last week's episode, they just introduced her and that's when Samantha poured the girl Wojana or something like that. But ugirl didn't get an opportunity uta khulume. This reunion simboni lukuthi ugirl uyaphapha. Usho ukuthi ke uqondanisa uzithandela amahlanya. Umamthunu wena uhlanya nje, uSamantha uhlanya nje. Even number 3 ke ingathi umangcobo something like that. Ayibo ugirl, ayibo she speaks. I'm just like, girl, you've just been here for 2 minutes. Like, why you papa kanjalo? Hey, bamziba ke. Then anyway, so ulokhuzana Ulinda goes on to say ukuthi there's one man of the season that when people don't see him on the screen, people complain. When people see him on the screen, when people see him on the he says there's one man in the season. When people don't see him on the screen, people complain. When people see him on the screen, people still complain and uTulas lo. Then he goes on to ask ukuthi wena Tulasi, bengifuna ukubuza ukuthi wena ubagcina kanjani abafazi bakho? Why are you so confident ngendaba yokuthi wena akunamfazi ozokushiya amongst the ones that you have? uDulas is like, ngeke ngiwaqamba amanga, mina-ke ngiyalikhuluma iqiniso, noba lilihle noba lilibi ngiyalikhuluma. And then from there they took an ad break, you guys. When they came back from the ad break, they didn't allow uDulas to continue that question, but later on in the episode, uDulas does touch a little bit on what he does to keep these women. So anyway, Ulinda, he reads a tweet from Twitter where one tweet was actually saying, one thing about uDulas, guys, is that able uzokuvulela business. And I even said it myself, ubhutiza, uzokuzwisingathi hayibo ulikhathalela ikusasa lakho. So he asked uDulas ukuthi so ahamba kanjani amabhizinisi. uDulas then says umuntu uyamzamela into and then azihlulekele yena. uMamhlongo udayisile ibhizinisi lakhe. uMashozi-ke imoto beyimnikeza inkinga. It's having some, I think she has a e-hailing business, an Uber business. So imoto imnikeza inkinga iyamhlupha kodwa uDulas said ukuthi bayathemba ukuthi kuzophela kulungile. Then uMashezi, he didn't get a chance to open up a business for her because uGeli usewagagamela. Hey guys, this reunion uMazi ukuthi uMashezi umenzeni uDulas kodwa uDulas unyanye abafuni next. At this point I'm like, why is uDulas so mad at uMashezi, guys? I don't understand. Anyway, then Ulinda he says ukuthi we saw on this season ukuthi uMadlamini seshiyile. So yeah, condolences to the family. What happened with uMadlamini? Now some people were saying uDulas, he should have not explained what happened no Madlamini, because uMadlamini, guys, she eventually respected herself and she walked out of the situation. And sometimes, guys, as abantu abamnyama, we don't easily, like, you don't just go disclosing the reason of why a person passed away. It's kind of disrespectful to the family in a sense. But I don't know, maybe Udulas felt like there was nothing wrong with that. But some people, they felt a problem with the fact that Udulas explained. But anyway, Udulas explained ukuthi uMadlamini wagula for hardly a week, akuzange kuphele neveki, and then she passed away. Wagula. uDulas says ukuthi uMadlamini wangitshela ukuthi uyograduate. Shuthi bekahlangane nabangani bakhe bephumile. As uDulas is speaking like that, guys, uMamhlongo unamanga, speaking underneath her breath. uDulas ignores her. He continues. He's like, Shutuge, she went out nabangani bakhe, and then when she came back, she started getting sick, and then wadlula emhlabeni. Then uDulas says ukuthi kwaba nesidliso phakathi kwalokho nje into enjalo. UMamhlongo was like, hayi bo. At this point, I'm just like, why didn't uLinda give uMamhlongo a chance ukuthi akhulume? Because uMamhlongo is behaving ngathi hayi bo, khona into ayaziyo that uDulas is not saying. Clearly, she said ukuthi uDulas unamanga. So me at this point, I'm just asking ukuthi Mamhlongo, what do you know? Or maybe uLinda felt like because already guys sekashonile uMadlamini, there's no use creating drama around that, and maybe that's why he didn't give uMamhlongo a chance ukuthi achaze ukuthi why uthi uDulas unamanga mekachaza isizathu sokuthi what happened to uMadlamini or what caused her passing. I guess anyway, but uDulas guys, when he was saying that, he really did look heartbroken. Namehlo akhe ngathi bekafuna ukukhala or something like that. Listen, uDulas is famous, guys. We know ukuthi uDulas, he doesn't hide ukuthi imithi. Hayibo imithi naye same WhatsApp group. So for me, it was giving the vibes ngathi uMamhlongo was kind of saying ukuthi uDulas khona hey, khona into yabo. Anyway, so uLinda asked ukuthi ingane zona, because uMadlamini, the last time she was here on one of our reunions, she said she ingane, that's what she's worrying about. And the last call that we saw uDulas noMadlamini having on the show, she was asking about ingane. uDulas says ukuthi hayi yonke into right, ihamba kahle neingane. Maybe uMadlamini, she felt ukuthi useyahamba, and that's why she felt the need ukuthi she needed to like ukuthi push or something like that to be in the children's lives and to be present. But anyway, yeah, everything's going well. But uMamhlongo, even then, she's just like, how? Like to say ukuthi ayikho lento ayikhulumayo uDulas. So anyway, then uLinda abuze-ke ukuthi Mamhlongo-ke, how are things going? Are you still there? Are you still with uDulas or what's going? Mamhlongo says ukuthi mina ngihambile kahle kahle Nkosi yami. Angisekho. After kwafika uMashezi ngabashiya mina. Then uLinda asks ukuthi uhanjiswe uMashezi. Then she says, no, angihanjiswanga. I didn't leave because of uMashezi. Bengikhathele mina, bengikhathele. And futhi akekho umuntu obengazi ukuthi uDulas bekangenzani. Wonke umuntu onamehlo nje uyabona ukuthi uDulas bekangifake izinto zakhe. Then uLokhuzana, uLinda asked about uLokhuzana, uMashezi. He asked uDulas, okay, Dulas, are you still with uMashezi? Then uDulas aphendula athi uMamhlongo noMashezi ngayibona lento budala ukuthi bafuna ukungihlanganela laba boyi-2. uMamhlongo says ukuthi hayibo uDulas inkinga yakhe why kubuzwe ngoMashezi wayefaka igama lami. uDulas kahle kahle usaba uMashozi. Ayike uMashezi-ke, she agrees, she's like vele uDulas usaba umamkhulu. Umamkhulu is like, hayibo wena usanda kufika manje sowubona ukuthi uyangisaba, saying that to uMashezi-ke. uMashezi goes on to say ukuthi washo phela uDulas wangitshela ukuthi yakusaba. Uyazi nawe ukuthi umenzani uDulas menisendlini. Hayibo gela indaba engaka. And then uLinda asks ukuthi hayibo ubuza uMashezi ukuthi hayibo uDulas bamenzani endlini. uMashezi goes on to say, ngiyaxolisa ukuyibeka kanje kodwa uMashozi umamkhulu uyamshaya uDulas. Everyone in the studio guys laughed. Is several like insane. I was so annoyed at that. I don't like things like that, guys, because I felt like if roles were turned and we were speaking, even if guys are simtanted to us, gender-based violence it's not funny to start off with, and I don't think uLinda handled that well. I don't think it was funny. I think if it was a woman who said that, Or if it was a man saying ukuthi unomfazi oshayayo, like it was going to be a whole thing. No one would have laughed. So why are people laughing just because I don't like that? Mina angithandi gender-based ntonto. No matter how someone is wrong. If ufuna umshiya umuntu, mshiye umuntu. Oh, uyombophisa or something, but it's not funny. But everyone laughed and they were continuing to laugh. And then uLokhuzana uLinda asked uMashezi ukuthi ubufakazi unabo. Umamkhulu then says yazi uyangijwayela wena uyangijwayela. uMashezi like yebo nginabo ubufakazi. Then uLinda-ke he asked uDulasi ukuthi Dulasi, do you know lente, like did you ever confess uMashezi wamvulela isifuba wamtshela ukuthi wena you are being uyashawa endlini? uDulasi goes on to say ukuthi emaqinisweni ngibona ingathi ungenela ukuhlanya lona. uMamhlongo noMashezi bayahleka laphaya. At this point, guys, the way the seating is set up, uDulasi uhleli nomamkhulu, which is uMashozi. And then on the other couch kuhleli uMamhlongo benoMashezi. So uMamhlongo benoMashezi ngathi bayahlohlana laphayana, guys. They're busy laughing, giggling like small girls there. And then anyway, uDulasi says ukuthi hayibo, I'm not the one. Why am ambela manga? Because if anyone in this relationship is capable of hitting someone, maybe if mina ngiyamshaya, maybe I will hear that. Maybe ngabuzwa lokho. But anyway, ayibo usukwena umuntu orongo, like yikho ngithi uyagula le ntombazana, because why is she creating lies? uMashezi then says ukuthi yazi lento ibona umuntu ohleli le kude. Yabona mawuhleli noMashezi wena Dulasi, hayi ukuthi uyamhlonipha, uyamsaba, and now uyakwazi lokho. Guys, that statement I'm gonna have to agree with Uken. I do feel like uDulasi uyamsaba uMashozi, uyamsaba umamkhulu. And I'm just like, I don't know what is it, but there's just this calmness. Or maybe, guys, because you know one woman once said, guys, isizisho. Isidliso esikhulu is ukuhlonipha indoda. That's what she said. She said, you see, when you learn how to respect your man, people will say uyisile indoda because he will inhliziyo yakhe iyathobela, because you know how to give him indawo yakhe. One thing about umamkhulu, guys, iyayihlonipha indoda yakho girl. Ayibo, iyayihlonipha. And I'm asking myself, could it be that because ugel iyayihlonipha indoda yakhe and iyayikholela indoda yakhe, even though she knows indoda yakhe inamanga, when indoda yakhe tells her something, she doesn't say ukuthi hayi wena, she believes him, guys. And it's like he has this thing that he wants to protect her, he wants to protect the image that she has of him. So it could be that, or it could be number two, ukuthi hayi ugel did say to uMamhlongo ukuthi nami phela nginazo indlela zami, nginenyanga engiyibonayo that does things for me. Or could it be ukuthi ugel naye-ke she's using her things to make sure ukuthi indoda ibe la eduzane naye? Angazi, guys. But everyone can see that, guys. Everyone can see ukuthi Dulasi, that like umamkhulu that he does, he is either scared of her or he has like this a lot of respect for her. Hayi-ke umamkhulu goes on to say ukuthi cha, lo ufuna ukuphakama ngami, yazi amanga mangaka ufuna ukuphakama ngami wena. And then uMashezi goes on to say ukuthi inkinga ukuthi uyazithemba wena, uyazithemba. So that made me realize ukuthi ugirl, maybe she's lying about this thing ukuthi umamkhulu ushaya uDulasi, because why is she saying ukuthi inkinga ukuthi uphakeme like uyazithemba? umamkhulu goes on to say, manje just because ngiyazithemba fanele ukuthi ungiambela amanga ukuthi mina ngishaya indoda, ubanothe yiba yikati, like now is Tembe. If you want to be confident. Don't come here and lie about me. uLinda then asked uMamhlongo ukuthi Mamhlongo wena uthini? Do you believe ukuthi uDulasi uyashawa endlini? uMamhlongo goes on to say, kungenzeka. Vele yena uDulasi azange angitshele lokho, you didn't tell me. Kodwa-ke maybe noba akashawa ngezandla kodwa uDulasi uyamsaba umamkhulu. uSamantha sesicala ukukhuluma bandla. uSamantha gets up and she's like, Dulasi uyazi ukuthi mina nawe vena sizwani. Kodwa Dulasi le speaking about uMamhlongo noMashezi, le idlala ngawe. Into that hurts me ukuthi wena Mamhlongo, you are siding with this girl and you don't even know her that well. I said, yes. That's the thing that I've been trying to say about Umamhlongo. I feel like Umamhlongo, she is still bitter over the fact that she was not made wife number one, even though she came there first. And I feel like she goes on acting like she doesn't care when Mitulas brings other women. And she will say all as letters zonke lezi ndaba kumamkhulu, because she knows ukuthi umamkhulu, these things are going to hurt her. Fayada ahleke. So it's like her aim is to hurt umamkhulu. But anyway, into yaba ayingena because listen, no mamkhulu unezinto zakhe. But anyway, I liked Samantha for saying that because Samantha no Mamhlongo bayazwana, but Samantha she told uMamhlongo ukuthi lalela wena lento yenzayo, you can't be siding noMashezi ungamazi, uhleka noMashezi awumazi. Like what? That's how I'm saying ukuthi ubuntombazane, because why are you siding with someone you don't know? That is a girlfriend. You are a wife. So what are you doing? Anyway, uSamantha goes on to say ukuthi hayi wena Zinhle, wena Mamhlongo uyimenemene. And uMamhlongo was like, hey bo, like angisayidi naye. uSamantha's like, hayi uyimenemene. Mina like I'm observing the both of them. Babhizi la bayahleka. I knew ukuthi bazoyiletha lento ukuthi lo uzothi ukuthi uDulash uyashawa. Ngibabhekile yazi ayikho le ndaba yokushawa. Ugeli, speaking about uMashezi, athi ugeli has to accept ukuthi uDulasi akasekho kuyena. Amadoda ahleze eshiya la emhlabeni. Like hlele shiya abantu besifazane. Don't force yourself kwindoda. And then uSamantha says ngiyabonga, sits down. uMashezi, I feel like she needs to get over uDulas, guys. She's been dating uDulas for how many years? uMamhlongo even said to her, ukuthi wena Dulas married both of these women, both of his wives, while Umashezi was in the picture. So surely there's something that made Dulas not marry this girl. So I'm just like, this girl needs to get over, because Utulas has been saying ukuthi hayibo, even last week guys, Utulas did say ukuthi angithandani naye, but ugeli, she was just like, hayi sobonana thina sijwayele lento, we break up, we get back together. So I feel like ugeli was better and she came up with those lies. Anyway, you tell me guys, do you believe it ukuthi Utulas yashawa, or do you feel like Umashezi, she came up with lies just so that she can, hlohla umamkhulu, or so that she can hurt rather umamkhulu? Ake he asked uMamhlongo ukuthi wena Mamhlongo every season ukuthi uyahambi uyabuya. So ngicela ubuza ukuthi wenzela show, are you doing this for the cameras, or why do you keep coming and going back? uMamhlongo goes on to say ukuthi noDilasi vele sahlukana, then we got back together. Then we broke up again. Shooting, when we broke up, that's when I found out I was pregnant. And then we got back together. And she says, noDulasi, I'm done now. Nami gengile winyanga. And the traditionalist helped me ukuthi nami amadimoni kaDulasi mustn't angabuyi like him. But for now, ngiphumile kuDulasi. Ulokhuzana uLinda-ke abuza ukuthi mfethu umenzani uMamhlongo? Why uMamhlongo every time when she goes, she comes back, and when yamtshela ukuthi vele uzobuya? Ulokhuzana uDulasi says ukuthi hey ezomkhovu ayikho. Kodwa-ke ngamlungisa ukuthi angahlakaniphi. Hayibo guys. Kusho ukuthi Dulas confessed on national TV, guys, ukuthi yena wamdlisa. But listen guys, this is a very common thing. Udlise uMamhlongo ukuthi angahlakaniphi, kusho ukuthi ahlale la angazibonele omunye, azibonele uDulasi kuphela. UDulasi said that's the only thing he did, you guys. Then uLokhuzana-ke uLinda asked ukuthi Dulas usamthanda uMashezi, usathandana naye, yebo noba cha. Oh, he asked uMashezi ukuthi usathandana noDulasi, yebo noba cha. Ugeli says ukuthi yes sisathandana, even though uDulasi ubusy. Then uLinda asked ukuthi okay, when last did you guys see one another physically? Ugeli says ukuthi it's been a while, kodwa sisathandana, uyangishuthela when he's somewhere ukuthi ubusy. uDulasi says ukuthi mina nginyanya uNkulunkulu noma idlozi elangihlanganisa noMashezi. Kathi yahawu uwe lo mina Dulas bengiqala ukuthi what about your son ke manje, your future son, because wena bakuhlahluba bakutshela ukuthi uMashezi uzokuzalela your first son. So what about your son njengoba manje you're busy saying ukuthi uZondidlozi or uNkulunkulu owakuhlanganisa noMashezi. But he goes on to say ukuthi ungivezele ukuthi ungumuntu onje. She showed me the type of woman she is, and yeah, mina sengiright uyi. So then uLinda also uthi, okay, fine, Dulas namhlanje uhamba nabani? Who are you living with? Who are your women? Like, who are you living with? uDulas says, mina umuntu engisurprised ukuthi asathandani naye uMamhlongo. Ngiyaqala nje ukuzwa lokho ukuthi she's ukuthi like uphumele kumina, like ngiyaqala, not that ukuthi like angifuni uku-accepta ukuthi akangifuni. Mina nje ngifuna ukuthi akwazi ukuthi uMamhlongo azi ukuthi njengoba esenza izinto kanje uzoqhubeka edala iy'nkinga, and that is going to hurt her. uLinda abuza ukuthi ayibo usho ukuthini ukudala inkinga kanjani. uDulas says ukuthi uMamhlongo iyathanda ukudlala kabi these mind games that she keeps playing ukuthi uyahamba uyabuya izinto ezinjalo. Ngamtshela ukuthi vele that will never happen, she will never leave. I get what uDulas is saying. Dulas was actually saying ukuthi nanohlanya, speaking about uMashezi, ukuze abe lana, it's because of uMamhlongo, because uMamhlongo wathi uyahamba, and mina ke ngingumuntu that I always have to have two women in my life. So wahamba uMamhlongo, and I took in leli hlanya uMashezi, then uMamhlongo just came back, and now I'm in this situation. So he's trying to say ukuthi I will always have two wives, and because uZinhle keeps going and coming back, when she goes, I really think ukuthi she's gone for good, and then I take another woman. When I take another woman, uyabuya zingcengele. So she's the one creating all these problems. But anyway, he says ukuthi uMashezi yena akasathandani noMashezi, akamfuni, and futhi uzoloya lo, uzothakatha lo. I'm like, guys, imagine ulahla uDulas on national TV. Cabanga. Hey bro, last scene guys, they invite uSandiso, okay, the community yakhe. Umamkhulu is looking all beautiful there, noCebile. Ayibo unokhuzana leli 2K kuthiwa ubani noNjabulo. She's looking fine, I guess, but you could see she looked angry at uSandiso, ngathi she wanted to slap him or something. But anyway, she respects her man, that's why she was quiet. So uLinda then also uthi Sandiso, people have been complaining this season, we also ukuthi wena namanga wakho mfowethu bawungazi ukuthi the truth will come to play out on national TV. Did you not know you are national TV? Okay, uSandiso says ukuthi yeah, ngowaqambile amanga napho nalapho, kodwa-ke nawe uyazi ukuthi intombi ishela ngamanga. Ngathi yo, hayi Father God, please deliver me from labafana bazitshela ukuthi intombi ishela ngamanga. Hey, hayibo. Then Linda goes on to ask ukuthi wena ke mamkhulu, like usahamba kahle wena nomyeni wakho, are things going well? Umamkhulu's like, yo, mina nomyeni wami cha, like angazi ukuthi kuhamba njani because mina angisamazi lo muntu, dala ngamgcina. And then Linda's like, okay, what are you trying to say? Girl says, no, ngizama ukusho ukuthi mina ngiphumile, angisekho kulo muntu. Sandiso mekachaza uSandiso says ukuthi phela after I introduced number 3 uCebile, umamkhulu uye wadecide ukuhamba abuyele kibo. So Linda asked ukuthi uDubile, umamkhulu uDubile, is she gone forever or what's going on? But uSandiso says ukuthi hayi uDubile wamanje uzobuya nomuntu. Kubo bonke boyi-3 nje akekho nje ozohamba phakathi kwabo. I'm like, Dulas number 2, what makes you so sure? Ngengane zabantu ingathi like they don't have their own minds to make up their own decisions. These guys are using something on these ladies. Either that, guys, or either number 2, these ladies, they are just promoting these guys to come on TV. Because what? Especially uSandiso, all his women, guys, they are beautiful. But Lomfana, I'm just like, yo. But anyway, uNokuzana, uSandiso, he still hasn't paid amalobolo for uMahadebe. Remember, when he went to pay inhlawulo for ingane, he asked for uNonjabulo's hand in marriage. He still hasn't paid that. Obviously, he said he hasn't paid that because Mamkulu utubile. So he has to finish off for Mamkulu. If Mamkulu is not saying anything, you can't finish off for Mamkulu. You can't lobola Umahatebe and stuff like that. By the way, guys, just by part one, Noam has been lobolad or bamkakela lobol. So you can see ukuthi these guys don't understand isithembu. Udlala ngengane zabantu, and it's just about bragging how many girls you can get in your name. Anyway, guys, let's park it right there. Tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Please do watch the ads, guys. That is just your way of showing support towards this channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.